Today we celebrate the feast of St. Charles Lwanga and his companions. Charles was from the country of Uganda. He was born in 1860. He converted to Catholicism at the age of 18, and he and his companions were brutally martyred in 1886. I want to broaden my reflection a little bit beyond the bravery and courage and deep faith of Charles Lwanga and his companions to talk briefly about the church in Africa. The early church was vibrant in Africa, particularly in North Africa. It was one of the most important centers of early Christianity. The great bishop and theologian Augustine came from Carthage in North Africa, and Alexandria in Egypt spawned many great theologians in its school of theology. Christianity was eclipsed by Islam, however, in the 7th and 8th centuries. But today, because in part of people like Charles Lwanga, the church in Africa is alive and growing. Today, 1 out of every 5 Africans is Catholic. The Catholic population of Africa is the 3rd largest in the world, behind only the Americas, North and South, and the continent of Europe. African countries are sending priests to other parts of the world, including this country, including this very diocese of Belleville. And so we today honor the church in Africa. We honor it for its deep faith in Jesus. We honor our African Catholic brothers and sisters as members of the body of Christ, the church.